Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Docker Entrypoint versus CMD, two fundamental instructions for defining how your container runs. Understanding their differences is absolutely crucial for anyone building Docker images, ensuring your containers behave exactly as intended. We'll dive into their distinct behaviors, how they interact, and when to use each one. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding to make informed decisions for your containerized applications. Let's get started. The CMD instruction is primarily used to provide a default command or arguments for an executing container. Think of it as the default action your container will take if you don't specify anything else. Crucially, if you pass arguments directly to the Docker run command, those arguments will completely override the CMD instruction. A Docker file can only contain one CMD. If you list multiple, only the last one will be effective. It's perfect for setting a default command that users can easily change. Now, let's talk about Entrypoint. This instruction configures your container to run as an executable. Unlike CMD, arguments passed to Docker run are appended to the Entrypoint command rather than overriding it. This makes Entrypoint incredibly powerful for defining a consistent execution point for your container. It's frequently paired with CMD, where Entrypoint defines the main executable, and CMD provides default arguments to that executable. This setup ensures your container always runs a specific command, behaving like a reliable application. So, which one is better? It truly depends on your use case. Use CMD when you want to provide a default command or arguments that users can easily override. Opt for Entrypoint when you need to define a consistent executable that your container will always run, making it behave like a standalone application. For maximum flexibility, combine Entrypoint with CMD. Entrypoint sets the main command, and CMD provides its default arguments. Consider if your container is a service or a tool with user-defined inputs to make the best choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.